Welcome to Finite Mathematics. This is Hartford Community College course Math 111. So sometimes people might ask when they hear I teach, they go, well, what subjects do you have? I go, I have an interesting variety of continuing education courses. And then on the credit side, there's statistics and finite math. Oh, well, what's finite math is the next question. And I generally say that it's anything that is not infinite. And infinite means calculus. So finite math is one where the functions are discrete as opposed to continuous, where we have specific numbers, not a wide variety of infinitesimally dividable numbers. Finite math contains a wide variety of topics, which are especially useful for business and computing. And also at Hartford Community College, the Finite Math 111 is also an allowable prerequisite for Math 212 calculus with business applications. Now, specifically, there's a wide variety of topics within finite math, and you can see 9 of them right there. And what we're going to do with that is arrange those items into 10 chapters in the book, arranged into 4 units. And the units are going to be, first, applying different techniques and simple and compound interest rate calculations into various types of financial instruments, such as sinking funds, annuities, and mortgages. In the second unit, we're going to look at solving systems of linear equations, including using matrix methods to do some linear programming techniques and optimization, such as finding least cost or maximum profit under a certain set of conditions. The third unit, we're going to take a look at logic methodology. We're going to look at propositions. We're going to construct arguments, look at truth tables, and design some electronic logic circuits. And then fourth and finally, we most likely, in other words, probably, will study probability. And we'll use those concepts to take a look at things like expected value, very useful for doing cost estimating and insurance pricing and the like. We'll take a look at Markov chains and also some game theory. Each of these is just an overview. So what may well happen is later in your career, you're going to end up with a full semester course on every one of the topics. Sometimes we'll also take a little bit more look at what's beyond in the textbook, just to make sure that we meet all the needed studies for the calculus 212 preparation. This variety of topics is a good news, bad news situation. Good news is, well, if you're not that keen on that particular topic, just hang in there because it'll be over in a couple of weeks. The bad news is, well, the exact same thing. If you do like the topic, well, it'll still be over in a couple of weeks, and that will be the end of that. So in terms of the welcome, well, we'll learn more about each other as the semester goes on. My name's Dick Schwanke. I'm the instructor. I happen to also be about the only one that continually volunteers to teach finite math, and I really enjoy it, and that's why I want to keep doing it semester after semester. Now, we do have to remember that we're all in this online environment together. This is the first time that finite math has been taught online at Hartford Community College, so we'll just see how that goes. We're all in it together.